Stop it, Bandit. I'm not playing around, bro. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Hey, I'm doing this neighbor a favor.
Nah, they're gonna come out probably, but let's go. That's your thumbnail.
We've been messing with the custom shaping all night long, and we found something for each thing that I do: trail, trick, and street. And I'm about to read y'all street because we're about to head to the neighborhood down the road, and we're gonna ride some street. So here's the settings over to the right here, and it is nose. The nose is gonna be 0.1 down. Braking is -1. Aggressiveness is all the way up 5. Dynamic responsiveness is -1. The roll feature is +1. The yaw mix rate is +1. Jump time re-engage is 1 up, and then zone re-engagement is 1. These settings, they're not final, so if they change, we'll let y'all know. We're not saying you have to go put these on, but if you need some help for a starting point, definitely try this out and see where you like it from there. And I think custom shaping definitely should update your board and makes your board feel awesome. And yeah, that answers the questions for whether you should do it. Yes, you should do it. Update your board.
That's your thumbnail. Holy. Leave me. All right. What are you thinking about the preset? Talk to me.
I love the preset. The preset, I mean, I think it's perfect. I don't know really what we could change. Maybe change like the yaw setting a little bit better, but I don't know.
It would have to be turned off because I only got you at -1 or a +1. So it would be turned off.
Let's go hit a drop. How about it?
I wonder if that tail's gonna drag.
Ah.
I can't even keep up with them anymore.
Hey guys, so the reason we have the nose tilted down 0.1, which we might do it more, is because on tricks, I would do the trick and then my nose or my tail would drag out of them like this right here. We just hit this and it drug, but it wasn't that bad. Like it wasn't nearly as bad as how it was. And like going up on the driveway one time, I literally like
no
went
tail
all
scratch
across the whole thing, but I didn't drag earlier when I did it. So
okay,
my nose is currently set at 0.1 down. So
So you're tail high. You're tail high.
Tail high, yeah.
I'm tail high by negative 0.01.
Yep.
All right, hit the trick one more time.
Oh!
No.
Dude, that was insane. Dude, that's insane. That's perfect.
Oh!
Oh my gosh. Your tail don't drag anymore either. So guys, y'all doing all right? So. Dude. What's your top speed?
20.
Your top speed's 20?
Yeah.
I'm
on over 20. But I've been at 20.
Wanna go?
Oh, doggy.
Whoa, that's why they all ran. I'm like, what? I was like, why did they run? Hey, doggy. Hey, doggy.
No rocks are safe. Feel bad for that person.
So guys, What is that?
It's the moonwalk. Wiggle front foot.
What is that?
Wiggle front foot.
Oh my gosh. Hold on, let's get the goats. What's up, guys? What are you doing? Huh? Danny wants to ride. I think he would be the first goat to ride a Onewheel. He would be the guy. Oh my gosh. What are you doing, B? What are you doing? Huh? Uh-oh, they're fighting. They're fighting.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. We answer them all. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.
What is this? He's riding a Onewheel.
What you doing to Onewheel? They're chewing that thing up.
What you think about that helmet, bro?
On point.
Tearing that one.
Yeah, they're destroying my Onewheel. Guys, stop it. Stop it, Bandit. I'm not playing around, bro. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Try and get loose.
What up, dude? What up, dude?
She's just chilling, huh? Is she?
What up, dude? What up, dude?
Has she been eating?
Yeah.